Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Enjoy Golf Resort and Private Pool. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free Wi-Fi, free parking, family rooms and a non-smoking rooms. Located 15 miles from Disney's Animal Kingdom, Enjoy Golf Resort and Private Pool offers an outdoor swimming pool, a fitness center and air-conditioned accommodations with a patio and free Wi-Fi. Offering pool or garden views, each unit comes with a kitchen, a satellite flat-screen TV and DVD player, closet, a washing machine and a private bathroom with shower and bathrobes. There's a seating and/or dining area in some units. At the vacation home, guests are welcome to use a hot tub. A garden, grill and a playground are available at Enjoy Golf Resort and Private Pool. Disney's Blizzard Beach Water Park is 16 miles from the accommodation, while Disney's Wide World of Sports is 16 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Winter Haven's Gilbert Airport, 21 miles from Enjoy Golf Resort and Private Pool. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.